The Tyranids are an extragalactic composite species of hideous insectoid xenos. They actually comprise an entire spacefaring ecosystem comprised of innumerable different bioforms, which are all variations on the same genetic theme. The Tyranids are unlike any other intelligent species encountered by humanity. They are the ultimate predators. To them, all living things, from the lowliest insect to the most advanced starfaring civilization, are mere prey. Only now are the inhabitants of the galaxy realizing the scale of the threat. Unless the Tyranids can be stopped, it will mean nothing less than the extinction of all life. The Tyranid species is ultimately dedicated solely to its own survival, propagation, and evolutionary advancement. The Tyranids collectively form a monstrous superorganism that travels across the universe in their great hive fleets of biomechanical hive ships, systematically consuming all other biomatter to enable their own rapid evolution and reproduction. The Tyranids are likened to a galactic swarm, consuming everything in its path, feeding on entire worlds and leaving only dead husks in their wake. Their threat is such that an unprotected planet can be infested and stripped clean of all its organic material in a matter of solar weeks, without even slowing down the advance of the hive fleet. All Tyranid organisms are synaptic, meaning psychically reactive, and each Tyranid creature within a hive fleet shares and contributes to a communal hive mind, which allows the trillions of beings comprising the Tyranid hive fleets to communicate and organize instantaneously on a staggering scale. The mentality of the Tyranid approach to warfare can be described with the phrase, "Quantity has a quality all its own." From the lowly Ripper to the deadly Hive Tyrant and beyond, the signature of the Tyranid species is that they overwhelm their foes with sheer numbers, reproducing massive numbers of highly virulent organisms in record time, from the biochemical soup that they derive from the biospheres of the worlds they consume. When the Tyranid hive fleets clash with the demons of chaos, neither race is granted succor. The inconstant warp stuff from which demons are made offers the Tyranids no sustenance, while the unknowable alien entity of the Hive Mind is immune to terror and demonic corruption. Thus, these two super predators instead battle for the right to consume or despoil the galaxy's vast stocks of mortal flesh, tearing each other apart in a frenzy of unsurpassed slaughter, from which only one can emerge victorious. The components of a Tyranid hive fleet travel almost exclusively in large groups known as swarms, that possess specialized biomechanical creatures for destroying and consuming a wide variety of prey life forms. The Tyranids have evolved sophisticated methods for facilitating genetic transfer across species boundaries. As a result, a significant goal of any Tyranid invasion is acquisition of useful new biological traits from other life forms. These are used by the Hive Mind to enhance the Tyranids' effectiveness in consuming new worlds, to gain more of the necessary organic raw materials for further reproduction and directed evolution. All Tyranids are reproduced by a single highly intelligent female bioform known as a Norn Queen. A hive fleet's Norn Queens are the most important Tyranids within the fleet, for if they are injured or killed, the Tyranids cannot reproduce their numbers from the captured biomass. As a result, Norn Queens can be found only at the heart of the largest and most well-defended Tyranid hive ships.